Hi guys, this is Anne. I thought I'd show you how I make my smoothies. They're so simple. Three things: greens, bananas, and water. Now, if you have different fruits like mangoes, this would do. If you have pineapples will do, but you have to mix it with mangoes because pineapples are a little bit on the watery side. Any other fruit would do. And so me, I do it as simple as possible because now, like, this is foraged. I have not bought anything here. This is I think it's called mchunga. I only know it in Kiswahili, funny enough. Then we have dandelions, thistles, and one that I like so much is called parsley. This parsley, it's omega-3, is good for mental issues. Yeah, very good herb, and has many other properties or benefits, which I'm not going to go through now because I'm just showing you a smoothie. So it's just, I do not have any measurements. So even the bananas, I put, the more bananas you put, the sweeter it becomes. So it's up to you. So that's what I am doing. Oh, I just put it in the blender. I put water. I first blend this first, then I put the bananas with the ice so it doesn't taste off. That's how I made it for such a long time, so that's how I'm making it. So let me blend. Okay, I've blended the greens first. Now I'm putting the bananas. If you don't have time, you can just blend everything together and it just blends, and that's the end of it. But yeah, me, I like doing it like this because when I over blend bananas, they taste awful. That's the experience I've had blending daily for almost 8 years now. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now the lighting has gone to the toilet. And that is your banana smoothie. Sorry. Okay, now sometimes if you find this a bit too bitter for you, because I have apparently a very high threshold for bitter stuff, I can withstand a little bitter stuff. If you find it's too bitter, all you have to do is just add more fruit. Basically, you can even add dates, strawberries, any kind of sweet fruit will do. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.